What's going on, YouTube family? Garrett back with another video. We are gonna head out and do some retail arbitrage, buying stuff at some retail stores today to flip on Amazon because Q4 is here and we gotta start pumping that inventory in. But first, I gotta get the shipment out going to Amazon today. So I gotta schedule a pickup, put that outside, get it ready to get picked up. And then we are going to head out. First stop is gonna be Target. Let's go. So it started off at Target. Unfortunately, all of the clearance toys were already cleared out by someone else. This was the last thing left, but there wasn't much meat on the bone to make a profit. So we headed straight over to Ross. Ross seems like they've been filling back up on toys. So I think that toy rush is starting to come into these discount stores. So definitely been having some good success at like Ross, Burlington, and different stores like that. They're definitely starting to get more toys in. Picked up a bunch of PJ Masks toys and some other toys. I have no idea what they're called, but definitely seeing Ross pick more up. I mean, it was dry for the longest time, but I'm glad we're starting to find some good stuff. Alrighty guys, just left Ross. We didn't find anything at Target on the first run. All the clearance there in the toy section was gone. All the racks were cleared out, so we went ahead and headed over to Ross. I've never scored, or I have before, but I haven't scored this big at Ross in quite a while, where I was able to, I picked up 51 items and was able to spend $498, and like I was only in there for 30 minutes. So good profits. It's going to be at least 250, 300 bucks profit, if not more. But again, competition comes in. So we'll just say on the conservative side, 250 bucks profit. 30 minutes it took me. We're going to keep hitting some more Rosses. Here is my receipt. I don't know if you can see that, 51 items. Trying to hide my card number, but anyhow, we've got quite a bit of stuff back here. So I think I'm gonna head home since they're right by my house. It's only 9 in the morning, so I'm gonna head home and then unload this, and then we're gonna head back out and hit some more stores. Let's go. Next stop of the day was Burlington Coat Factory. It looked like there was a ton of stuff. I thought I was gonna score big, but unfortunately, we did not come out with a ton of profit. I mean, we literally only found this one toy, picked up about 3 of them. They're pulling in about $10 profit at current market value. So that's all we left Burlington with. Alrighty guys, just finished up at Burlington. Only picked up 3 items, a little My Little Pony toys for $12.99 or $11.99 actually. So spent about 40 bucks. Those should make us around $8 to $10 a piece. So not complaining with that, but we are right across the street from Marshall's. We're gonna head over there, hopefully see what we can find. I haven't been to Marshall's in like 6 months, and I heard they started taking, well, the last time I went to a Marshall's, they started taking the shoebox tops off of the shoe boxes, which isn't good for Amazon sellers. Even though you can technically, due to terms of service of Amazon, you can actually rebox them and send them in. I don't like doing that for my personal preference, but we're gonna head on into this one and see if they start doing that yet. Hopefully not. Hopefully find some clothes. We'll check out the toys and see what they got. Let's go. So went into Marshall's, stumbled across all of the shoes. There was nothing good. They had pretty much no shoes. Ran into these Nerf Toys. They're profiting about $8 to $9 at current market prices. I do well with Nerf. There's a lot of like profitable Nerf products that you can purchase from like Target and Walmart and at full price and still make a profit. And Nerf sells good in the holidays. More PJ Masks toys. They were pretty much the same exact things from Ross, except they're $1 more. But decided to pick them up anyways. Stocking up for Q4 toy craziness. And lastly, we picked up a bunch of like kids clothing on clearance and these clearanced out backpacks that were like 10 bucks. Alrighty guys, just left Marshall's. Got quite a good amount of stuff. Got some toys, some backpacks that were marked down on clearance, some kids clothing that was marked down on clearance. So definitely was not disappointed. I was disappointed they didn't have any shoes really at all. They kind of had the off-brand type of shoes that you've never really heard of the brand names, if you guys know what I mean, if you go to Marshall's a lot. But I did hear from some kind of people I know at Nike that I believe they're not selling, Nike's not going to be selling to stores like Marshall's, Ross, TJ Maxx, And a lot of the big box retailers that usually carry a lot of Nike stuff, I heard they're cutting ties with most of them, except probably like Dick's Sporting Goods, like the Foot Lockers and stuff like that, because they want to do more of a direct to consumer type of thing. So you're probably not going to be seeing a ton of Nike stuff at Marshall's anymore if these people told me the truth. But just wanted to let you guys know, Marshall's does accept tax exempt. So my total before tax was, or after tax, was going to be like $411 or $421. I got tax exempt, so it came out to $379. So if you're not using tax exempt, you need to get a hold of it in your state, your certificate, so you can start getting no tax when you're purchasing products. Because if not, if we just purchased the same haul and you paid 8.3% sales tax, you just paid 8.3% more than I had to pay for the same products. So I can beat you on price every time. I'm just going to beat you every time because I'm paying less for the same products. But not sure what store I'm going to hit next. Filling up pretty quickly back here. Stopped at Nike too and picked up a few things. But yeah, let's keep it going. We're crushing it today so far. I've probably spent about $1,200 and I've only been out for a few hours. So let's see if we can get to 2,000. Let's go. All right, guys, so I made it home. This is what we all ended up with. Pretty good little haul here, mostly Marshall's, Ross, and Burlington Toys. Made a quick stop at Nike and just got a few things. But other than that, we're going to unbox this, get it all prepped. I'll show you some of the items, show you how much profit we're going to end up with, hopefully. And yeah, let's get right to prepping. So here's the reason why you guys should be taking your time in stores. This PJ Masks Toys looks a lot like these ones over here. So I was just throwing stuff in my cart, trying to get it on camera for this video. And I grabbed this toy. It was actually $16.99 and it's only selling for $22. So I'm actually gonna lose money on this. So quick tip, always make sure. Alrighty, y'all, finished prepping. Got some Adidas backpack, some t-shirts in those like 3-pack t-shirts. Got some cool toys. Mostly picked up all this stuff from Burlington, Ross, Marshall's. Got some clothing right over there that needs to get polybagged, but I am all finished up. So I'm gonna show you the numbers that we ended up with. So first off, we got 49 different SKUs, meaning 45 different unique items, 151 total items, average sales rank of 64,000, total sales value of 4,200, buy cost of $1,587, and potential net profit of $1,337. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's sourcing vlog. Sourced all this stuff in one day, got it prepped. I actually prepped it the next day because I ran into a few things I had to take care of. But not bad. Potentially gonna make, probably realistically, after all fees and expenses and shipping it in, probably more around that like $1,100 range. But 1,100 bucks, I could have done all this work inside of one day easily. But that is going to wrap it up for this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you consider joining the family by smashing that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy the content, leave me a like on this video or a dislike if you didn't like the video. I don't care. Just leave something down there. Any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys on the next video.